The Santa Fe police officer was accused of a pattern of creepy, bizarre behavior.
And today, that creepy cop copped a plea. Dean Staley's live in the Newsplex with details.
Well, Dick and Jess, many of the women we talked to felt this cop should never be allowed to carry a badge. Today in court, the now former officer agreed. News 13 first told you about Sergeant Michael Eiskant back in January when he was still patrolling the streets of Santa Fe. During his more than 10 years on the force, a number of citizens filed complaints against Eiskant, calling him a bully. The most serious accusations came from women. One woman claimed he pulled her over repeatedly and demanded sex. Another woman who briefly dated the officer told us he stalked her even after she married another man.
He's very dangerous. He's a predator.
Even female police officers accused Eiskant of harassment.
9.
No contest.
And last we count 10.
No contest, Your Honor.
In district court in Albuquerque today, Eiskant admitted to 10 charges. 2 counts of illegally using a law enforcement database to get information about women. 2 counts of attempted false imprisonment for pulling over 2 people in Albuquerque, way out of his jurisdiction. Then there's the charge of stealing marijuana from a man he pulled over and never turning it in as evidence. Finally, Eiskant admitted to stalking one woman and harassing 2 others, including a Santa Fe police officer.
This case was about stopping someone who shouldn't be a police officer anymore.
As part of the plea deal, Eiskant agreed to never again work as a police officer in New Mexico or any other state. Mr. Eiskant, would you talk to us for just a moment about your plea today?
No, he's not going to say anything.
What do you have to say to the women who say you stalked and harassed them?
We're not going to say anything about anything that happened today.
Well, obviously he was not talking to us today, but he told the judge he wanted to, quote, move forward and do the best I can from here on out. Dick?
All right, Dean, the judge sentenced Eiskant to 1 year supervised probation and ordered him to get counseling.